Good morning, friends. Today, taking the topics of the three-dimensional coordinate system is a very basic information I will here provide to you. Uh, Basically, that is my engineering students is a very important. Uh, so that here is a what आप सभी जानते हैं पहले टू डायमेंशनल थ्री डायमेंशनल बट जो अभी न्यू स्टूडेंट्स हैं समथिंग वी डोंट नो इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट समथिंग so here please first I will request you please subscribe my channels likes and share and tell to friends for latest updates so ये बेसिकली किसके लिए है हमारे जो इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स है अभी M2 इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स 2 के लिए उनके लिए इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इससे रिलेटेड फिर ओनली आज टुडे इज दैट दिस लेक्चर्स ओनली कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम्स next say related problems equation of lines plane and directional ratio direction cosine in the provide to the next lectures after that is sphere cone and cylinders but today is here only this so come to the points first here the three dimensional coordinate system this is important three dimensional coordinate system though there are three types friends first is there are three types first type is here the Cartesian coordinate system next polar spherical polar coordinate system it means होता है कि आप relation between Cartesian and polar that is the relation between Cartesian and polar that is the relation between x y z Cartesian here r theta phi and which is the rho theta z three times the cylindrical coordinate system is rho theta z relation between rho theta z r theta phi and x y z is something so first is the taken the Cartesian coordinate systems so Cartesian coordinate systems first must be important points in the origin what is the origin how can decide the origin simple a three non-coplanar line intersect at a points in the space that is called the origin it means here means three lines आपस में अगर intersect करें so that is the origin the position of point in three dimensional space here determined with reference to the three non-coplanar lines and the intersect at point O is called origin suppose that is simply draw the figure three dimensional here here and here that is the x-axis sorry z which is x and y the problem friends आप थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो जनरली आप दैट टर्म में आप कंसिडर करें ड्रॉ द फिगर्स करें x एक्सिस y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस here that is points of O origin here suppose increase that line so that is x dash which is z dash and here y dash three dimension and it means x dash x o x dash y o y dash and z o z dash ये three lines है intersect at mutually perpendicular it means that angles between that angle that angles and which is angle is a 90 degree each perpendicular so that remember जैसे घर का corner होता है so that is a perpendicular each have perpendicular to this so अभी हम क्या करेंगे कंसिडर द थ्री एक्स लेट एक्स ओ एक्स डैश वाई ओ वाई डैश एंड जेड ओ जेड डैश थ्री B3 non-coplanar B3 non-coplanar line intersect at point O. So at point O here that is so x o x dash y o y dash and z o z dash are called axis. It is here are called axis. So that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis is called here is are called the axis. And we have this which is the mutually perpendiculars. Three lines are mutually perpendiculars. This is important. So and which are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular means क्या है एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री एंगल्स मेजर करते हैं. That is a mutually perpendiculars. Here next, what is the represented OX? OX is represented by the positive x-axis. OY represented by positive y-axis. Here it means this is the OX indicated positive x-axis. ठीक है. OY indicated positive y-axis. And OZ represented positive z-axis here. So similarly OX dash, that is OX dash represented negative x-axis, OY dash is represented OI dash is represented negative y-axis here. So this is which is negative x-axis, which is negative y-axis, and which is negative z-axis. This is OZ. And next, similarly friends, that case अभी मैं सिर्फ राइटर ने that means xy, that is the xy plane, which is y and z related means yz plane, and which is represented by xz plane, that is the xz plane. अब next coordinate, suppose here a है, so what is the coordinate of x-axis? So x-axis, on the x-axis is all this value y and z is 0. It means here this is the coordinate of x 0 0. Next on the y-axis, suppose that is b 0 y 0, and here z-axis that points 0 0 z. So that is on the z-axis coordinates. Next, what is the equation of xy plane? What is the equation of yz plane? And what is the equation of zx plane? So simple, which value आप सिर्फ टारगेट करेंगे xy प्लेन में z कौन सी वैल्यू 0 होती है, दैट इज xy प्लेन में इन z वैल्यू ऑफ z इज 0. इट मींस इक्वेशन ऑफ xy प्लेन इज z इक्वल टू 0. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ xy plane z equal to 0. Equation of yz plane means here x equal to 0, and here equation of zx plane, this is y equal to 0. So that is a basic information is here. Next, the above plane, ध्यान रखें, that is above plane is divided, plane are known as the coordinate plane, that is plane है इसे कहते हैं coordinate planes, और which is the divided equally eight equal parts, that is system जो है आपका system is divided totally 8 equal parts. ठीक है. So 8 equal parts. अब जब x y z अगर represent करते हैं, that is 8 equal parts means is called octane. And after then when octane. Then is O X Y Z divided is positive octanes, and there's another. So that is the general basic information of Cartesians. Next, go to the spherical coordinate, spherical polar coordinate systems. बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है फ्रेंड्स, और बहुत मेनी टाइम्स प्रॉपर्टीज के यूज होते हैं। स्फेरिकल कोऑर्डिनेट system is very important. It means a relation between r, theta and phi. It was a relation between r, theta and phi. Relation between r, theta and phi. अदरवाइज आप कह सकते हैं कि रिलेशन बिटवीन कार्टेशियन एंड पोलर, रिलेशन बिटवीन कार्टेशियन एंड पोलर, ये थर्ड से। सो फर्स्ट रीड सिंपल ड्रा द फिगर्स एंड नेक्स्ट वर्क। सो फर्स्ट ड्रा द फिगर्स। Here suppose in the it points P, that is the x, y, z, whose coordinates, and draw the perpendicular line here in the xy plane. This perpendicular line is xy plane, it means that is 90 degree. And which angle is theta? याद रखेंगे which angle is theta. And here is also draw the perpendicular this P, suppose which is Q, which is O. Here which angle theta and which angle is 90 degree, क्योंकि axes are perpendicular, so here and 90 degree, that is otherwise which is theta 90, so which is 90 minus theta here again, and that angle consider to phi, this is phi which is x axis, so OPQR, simple, and which is Z here, which is Y. तो आपको x y z की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ थीटा एंड समथिंग, एंड टू डिटरमाइन coordinate of P, x, y, z. तो डिटरमाइन द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ x, y, z, आपको ये डिटरमाइंस करना है, दैट इज हियर। तो ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर, लेट P be any point in the space, draw perpendicular to line, draw perpendicular PQ, perpendicular PQ in the xy plane, xy plane, that is PQ, join क्या करेंगे हम, OP and OQ, दोनों को ज्वाइन कर देंगे, दिस इज OP and OQ। नेक्स्ट लेट एंगल ZOP equal to theta, so and angle ZOQ is equal to 90 degree, simple friend, this is a 90 degree, so angle then POQ 90 minus theta, क्योंकि that angle total and with theta is 90 minus angle theta, and next angle let ROQ equal to phi, so that is एक consider कर लिया हमने एक observation where अब next find out the x y z according to this, So taken the right angle triangles first. In right angle triangle, which angles? This is 90 means OQP. OQP. So first, sine 90 minus theta. So sine 90 minus theta means perpendicular line, that is here, which is 90 means the opposite side, that is a perpendicular line PQ divided by here. This is the OP means here OP is R. So OP PQ upon OP. So imply that PQ means that is Z. Yeah, Z upon R. So Z equal to this is R cos theta. First value is find out. This is Z equal to R cos theta. Similarly, next cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Base upon hypotenuse. This is OQ divided by OP. So OQ is equal to R sin theta. Is a very important. OQ is R sin theta. Next, suppose this is 1, this is 2. What the friends? That which is angle is 90 degree. So in triangle ORQ. In triangle ORQ. So first sine of phi. Sine phi. Perpendicular, that 90 which is angle means RQ. RQ is perpendicular line and OQ is the hypotenuse. That is means that is hypotenuse which is perpendicular line and which is the base. So means RQ divided by OQ. So RQ is Y. OQ means R sin of theta. So Y is equal to R sin theta sin phi. That is Y equal to R sin theta and sin phi. Next, cos of phi base means OR divided by OQ. That is OR means X and here R sin of theta. X is equal to R sin theta cos phi. So spherical coordinate system find out हो गए. X equal to R sin theta cos phi, Y is equal to R sin theta sin phi and Z equal to R cos theta. ये 3 is find out this, that is a spherical coordinate systems. तो आपको अगर कभी स्फेरिकल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू एंड फाइंड आउट्स. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन एंगल्स एंड सो ऑन. तो सपोज दैट केस फर्स्ट x square y square and something which is a x square plus y square plus z square, that is r square. फर्स्ट रिलेशंस आप स्क्वायरिंग करके ऐड करिए, दैट इज फाइंड आउट द x square y square z square r square. Here how to prove? Simple, proof कर दीजिए. R square, so x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. तो r square is common and here sin square theta cos square plus into cos square phi plus sin square theta sin square phi plus cos square theta. So here in sin r square sin square theta common, cos square phi plus sin square phi and cos square theta. So that is 1 and is also 1, so r square. It means r square is equal to x square y square plus z square is the first relation r and something. Next, tangent. So tan of theta is equal to sum of this x square plus y square upon z square under root, that is the value of tan theta. Remember रखेंगे. And tan phi So tan phi is divided by this theta cancel y upon x. Yeah, this second relations. So that is a general relations of Cartesian, polar and something. Next, cylindrical polar coordinate system. So go to the cylindrical coordinate system. अब क्या रहता है, that is a friend relation between rho, theta and z. That is a relation between rho, theta, z. It means what is the rho? That case OQ. Here OQ is equal to rho. Z equal to z. So what is the value of r, x, y, z? Here is represented. So x is equal to this r sin theta sin cos phi. Everyone know. And what is the rho? This is the r sin of theta. Is everyone OQs find out already is the r sin theta. It means here that case x is equal to rho cos phi. Y is equal to r sin of theta sin phi. So that case here y is equal to rho sin phi. Here x here and z is equal to z. Do not change any other. Z as it is. So similarly divided by so tan of phi is equal to y upon x. Here and squaring on this, so rho square is equal to x square plus y square. So that is a cylindrical coordinate systems, that type of relations. Next, टॉपिक फ्रेंड्स डिस्टेंस. जैसे आप 2 डायमेंशनल फाइंड करते हैं, वी आर 3 डायमेंशनल. कि फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स. तो सपोज अगर आपका इन द स्पेस हियर P x1, y1 and z1 and here q x2, y2, z2. 2 coordinates हैं. So what is the distance between PQ? Means what is the PQ? PQ equal to inside. Remember 2 points P and Q given है, तो PQ की length find out करनी है आपको. That is here. So x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So that is here. Suppose that case here PQ here which is R and R is the midpoint. Let R is midpoint. R is the midpoint. So what is the coordinates? X, Y, Z. So midpoint. So coordinate of R. Coordinate of R. Coordinate of R is equal to this is R x y z equal to this sum of this means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2. That is midpoint coordinates. And next suppose I want next another. Suppose 3 एक triangles हैं. These triangles, this is A, B, C. Means here suppose x1, y1, z1. Here x2, y2, and z2. And here x3, y3, and z3. The 3 coordinates of the given triangles. So that case, what is the coordinate of centroids? Coordinate of centroid equal to simple, this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. This is the coordinate of centroid. here कहीं होगा आपका centroid. So that case yes find the coordinate of C. So centroid. So centroid is x1 plus 2 by 3. Here y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. That is the coordinate of centroids. Next friends is suppose any line intersect at internally, in the ratio. Find the coordinate of line points intersect at point find the coordinate of point which divides. Headings here friends is important and very. Find coordinate of points, uh, coordinate of find the coordinate of points which divides which divide the joint point, divide the joint point P x1 y1 z1 and Q x2 y2 z2 in the ratio m1 into m2. दो पॉइंट्स है और उनको एक लाइन से और उसको m1 m2 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करते हैं. So there are two points, two categories होते हैं. First internally when divide. So what is the coordinates of this? Suppose that is line here P x1 y1 z1 and here Q x2 y2 z2 and here is any points that is ratio m1 m2 and pq that is r x y z. अब next, what is the coordinate of x y z? How to write this? Simple. एक फ्रेंड्स इसके लिए हम एक नंबर याद रखेंगे, दैट इज 1 2 ऐसे करके, दैट इज नंबर्स. कैसे याद करेंगे? दैट इज हियर सिंपल. देखिए लॉजिक क्या है, हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. दिस इज आर एक्स वाई जेड. तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस, तो फर्स्ट आता है 1 2 मींस 1 में फर्स्ट में से रेशियो आएगा, फिर उसके बाद कोऑर्डिनेट मींस m1 x2 प्लस m1 x2 and here sorry 2 1 m1 2 2 1 m1 x2 plus m2 x1. सिंपल. m1 x2 फिर m1 x2 m2 x1 अपॉन m1 plus m2. Similarly m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. And next similarly again 1 2 2 1 means m1 z2 plus m2 z1 upon m1 plus m2. Here that is a writing method. So when the internally or suppose externally, so externally only here, do not any other change here, sir minus. The externally coordinates is the x y z is equal to this is, so same x1 x sorry m1, it is m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2. That is first. Second m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. That is 1 to 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 is follow rule. And thirds m1 z2 minus m2 z1 upon m1 minus m2. So that find out method. So coordinates बहुत सारे systems है friend. So that is एक general basic information. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर गो टू द, जब हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स में आएंगे, सो दैट केस फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन रेशियो, डायरेक्शन कोसाइन. इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. सो नेक्स्ट now second lectures here. Thank you. Bye bye.